Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap San Rafael local and long-distance movers near me. With the right long-distance moving company, you gain so many benefits on moving day. There are plenty of ways to move, but a professional team will make things easier for you. Our team will help with any move of 100 miles or more. Whether you're going one state over or across the country, we can help. We offer the basic moving services you need, along with the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. With a California moving company, you get a fast and better local move. You will gain plenty of benefits, making the cost well worth it. Not only will you save time, but also won't have to recruit friends or family to help you move. We take care of all the heavy lifting for you, so you won't need to worry about injury either. When you hire 3 movers, your local move becomes easier. Our team will make your move streamlined and you will be settled into your new location faster. A move that would take you all week to complete, we get done in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our San Rafael moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.